Hi guys, it's morning and it's Easter day. So we're gonna see what's outside. Hopefully the Easter bunny came.
Louis.
Louis, come out.
Morning, boy. I reckon Louis would have lifted up against me.
Look. Two for my friends. Can
Oh,
I
wow.
get Mama? Since there's four of these ones, can I give two to my Anya and Ari?
If you want to, yeah. My sweet little girl. Lily!
Bunny.
Easter Bunny came. Oh my goodness.
Where's that from?
Easter bunny.
Oh, what's this? What's lovely?
Can we wear them now?
Of course, can.
Louis.
Oh, this is like the stuff from Kmart.
Maybe the Easter Bunny ones came out. What do you reckon?
I don't think so. I think he just made it.
You reckon?
He just did magic.
Magic.
Thank you, Easter bunny.
It's your
Oh.
Oh, what did you say, Baba?
Easter bunny. What's the Easter bunny today?
Yeah, did you say thank you, Easter Bunny?
Thank you, Easter bunny. I did it because I look at the carrots in my car. See if the carrot's still there.
Thank you, Louis.
He took the card.
Did he?
He took my card.
Oh no.
He ate the carrot. Look.
Oh my god, half of the carrots.
He ate my carrots.
Yeah, okay.
He ate my carrots. He ate my carrots.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
He ate my carrots.
He did.
Okay.
Where are you going? Wait.
Mr. Bunny ate my carrots.
Oh my goodness. Tell him.
Mr. Bunny ate my carrots.
He must have read it and must be so happy with that card.
Yeah, I think he loved that card, Ate.
Last year, he didn't bring the card. He just wrote a note on the back.
Louis.
Oh yeah.
Come on,
Remember
Louis.
that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and just left down the table. But this year he took it.
Do you remember what she said? What he said? Last year? I forgot. Okay, well, let's bring it in now. Carrie.
Oh my God, guys, the Easter bunny came.
Come on. Louis, come here.
My God. This is so cool. The Easter bunny actually. I know.
Come on.
We just took out.
Come on now, Louis. Good boy.
So hi guys, it's Easter morning like you know, and we got a lot of stuff from the Easter bunny. We got four of these ones. I'm gonna give two of them to my friends. So I got two notebooks, two little bracelets, two markers, like two pieces of markers. And I got this one. I'm gonna open now.
Yeah. See, the Easter Bunny read at the Paris is better. But like, now the Paris stand.
A chocolate.
A lot of chocolate.
Open it. I'm gonna use it for under.
Yeah.
Mom,
Yeah.
wait, open it.
Yeah.
Oh my God! I just opened. Which one should I do first?
You guys gonna paint? You can paint it outside, huh?
Well, paint it in the balcony.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be really messy. What is it?
Can you open the paints for me? These?
Lily, how many eggs have you got in the envelope?
2, 4, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, whoa.
You can't.
Lily is doing really well there. Pink and yellow.
I'm doing Easter bunny.
Ati. Ang table na to sobrang punong-puno na ng mga paint guys. Gusto nila ginagawa yung kanilang art and crafts. Ooh, look at that! That's pretty cool, ate.
I'm gonna do a nose. What color should the nose be? A light pink or dark pink? I'm gonna do a dark pink. This pink.
Mm-hmm.
He looks silly. He looks silly.
Looks cute.
I know. Can you open the pinky for me, please?
Sure.
Where's my pinky?
A few moments later.
Okay, get Ate to help you. We're going, guys. Ito yung outfit ng ating mga girls. Alam niyo na, ang ating baby Celine hindi pwedeng hindi princess. So, ayan na yung suot. Get up, Ate. Come here, outfit, eh. Actually, merong ganyan din si baby Celine gaya ng suot-suot ni Ate Paris. Kaya lang, ayaw niyang suotin eh. Gusto niya ito eh. Anong magagawa ko? Oh my God, it's so hot. Anak, suddenly, uminit, guys. Kanina, wala si Haring Araw. We have to put that in the bin, girls. Yeah. We just got here, guys. Si mami nyo ay nakapag-makeup today. Diba? Bongga. Minsan lang eh. Easter. Louie! Louie. Kakasama na namin si Louie, guys. Kasi okay na. Nakakalabas na siya. Come here. Ang daming tao dito. Let's go, Nak. We'll go to that table there, Nak. Oh, the empty one.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
I choose the Suki one. 1:30 na kasi, guys. So, hindi pa nakatulog. Go put. Here. Okay, let's go find them. Nagdala kami ng pagkain dito, guys. Dapat sana 2 o'clock kami dito. Kasi mag-meet kami nila ni Amy. With the kids. 1:30 pa nandito na kami kasi nagdala kami ng pagkain para makakain muna kami before the Easter egg hunting ng mga girls.
Ate!
Meron akong fried rice dito. Yes, baby.
Ha?
Yeah.
Ate, I'm saying, Mommy buffered.
Kami, ate.
Before I was walking in the breeze.
So, ito. So, here you go, anak. I'll show you my outfit of the day, guys.
And it's also Easter!
Ayan, ang ating outfit.
I like the ham.
I like it.
What's wrong?
Very,
I
very
want to
comfortable.
sandwich. I just want to eat the ham and cheese.
Just that.
And guys, I want to show you my outfit. That looks cute. I got the bunny ears. Is that a ring right there? The one in the white cup? No, does that ring have a white cup?
Where did you get that, Paris?
Lane.
I will look at Linus first. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Live from Brisbane City. Talaga.
Tingnan niyo ang mga girls. No, and to think it's only like 6 minutes from us. Where's this water in, Bob? Is that going straight there?
I don't know what it is. Any luck?
Lennon, look who's here! Yay! Yeah, meet Louie.
He's a little scared.
That's Louie. Hello.
This is my Louis.
You're Louie? Yeah, that's yours. Don't worry, it's yours.
Okay.
Hi, yeah, Amy's here now, guys. Can I show mommy?
Yeah, of course.
Here's Amy's mom. That's where she gets her beauty. So yeah, we asked dads to take the kids away so moms can put the
Eggs away.
Yeah, eggs
so
away.
hot.
And
Some
look, bunny. Lucky girls. Alright, let's start doing this. It's raining chocolates here, guys.
process.
Have a look. Oh, diba? More here. But, ito yung main. Oh, diba? Okay. Oh, sana mahanap lahat. Ayan, we scattered it everywhere. Sana makita ng mga kids, ano. See, this over here. This is fun, guys. Look. Here. Oh, tingnan niyo, may bunny pa sa taas. And around here. So, dito lang, guys. Diyan. So, this vicinity lang. Para alam namin ba. Look. Everywhere. Ayan. So, habang naglalagay ako, guys, ng mga ano-ano. Alam mo si nanay, oh. Nakita niya yung chocolate na nilagay ko doon. So, habang naglalagay ako ng mga ganito, guys, may nakita na akong hindi para sa amin. So, I think earlier today, may Easter egg hunting din dito. Tingnan niya. Kasi may mga hindi nila nakita na nakita ko. Got more here. Dito. Umuulan ng chocolates, guys. Ayan na. This more on that side. Tapos dito. Alright, we're gonna call the kids now. Pinaalis namin para makapaglaro din na makita kung saan namin tinago. Pero ayan, yung mga, kita niyo ba? Summon. Look at this. Mga tagak na pala dito, oy. Yan. Okay. So, ayan, may naka, sa ibabaw dyan. Careful, hindi much. Ito yung sabi ko, guys, hindi ito sa amin. Ito ba? Cadbury? I think this is ours. May isa dito na Smarties. So, alam kong hindi sa amin kasi hindi kami bumili ng Smarties. Anyway, shall we call them?
We're gonna bring this to them, and then when they came, they just started.
Hi, Princess Sophia. Hi. Get your basket. We're gonna go find the eggs now. We'll go find the eggs now. Get your baskets. Paris, come on. We'll go find the eggs. Come on.
I'm just a little bit sad because I didn't know where my little eggy thing was.
Right, girl.
Oh, let's go. You find it somewhere. Okay, let's go find the eggs. Let's go. Go there. Hi, honey. They're here.
Not yet.
We'll let you know where, okay? We'll let you know where. This way.
Don't run. Bye,เลยแม่
Woo! Good job! Yeah! Selene! Oh, Anya! Good job!
Where are the big ones?
You have to find it, Paris. You can't ask us. Lini, here, Lin. Look on the, look on the tree. Good job, Anya is doing really well. Lini, well done. Oh yes. Oh yes, Lini. Oh yes, yeah. Have a look around, Ling Ling. Good job. Oh my goodness, Celine.
I got a big one.
Wow, lucky girl, have a look.
Behind the tree.
There'll be more.
What? You found a bunny? I found a bunny. I found this one. I found this one.
Oh my god, Paris is killing it. Whoa! Oh, Lucky, you're so good at that. You get all from that side, Irene. Oh my god, Irene started it. Oh! Great job. You look on the ground as well.
I spotted it.
Good job. I found some that's not ours. Maybe it's from someone before us. Louis! Oh my goodness! Did you get the bunny?
How many of you?
Lina, did you get the bunny?
That is a bunny, look.
That is the bunny too.
There's more on the ground, Lini. Anya? Somewhere?
What?
Irene! Here. This one. Peekaboo! Come here. Lini, this way. There's more for you. There's more for Lini. Look, look. Look at that. Ah, thank you, Irene. Oh, okay. All right. You put it here then.
I found.
Put it here. Okay, Lini, get it.
Reach it.
Well done, Lini. Okay, Auntie will do it. Auntie will do it. We don't want to fall again. Here you go. You're welcome. Oh my goodness, show me yours. Lini, you've done really well.
I like it. I like it.
Ling.
Thanks.
Oh, there's something. Oh, Lala. There's what's that? Caterpillar? Daddy, there's a bug on it. Have a look. What's that? Is that a caterpillar? Great job, girls. Look. Nice. I'm gonna go get water. Is this yours, Anya?
How about we share?
No.
I don't want it.
That's for Anya, but it's broken. You should have
What's that? Like